Alright, Epic Off-Road coming at you with an update on the 2018 Cadillac Escalade. Factory suspension was auto ride, so we're using the strut spacers so that we can still maintain and utilize the factory air suspension. I've got our new steering knuckles on, our shorter tie rods, we've got our CV spacers here, we've got our 7-inch drop cross members with our skid plate. We've got, honestly, in the front of this, it measures like over 8 inches, but they say a 7-inch differential drop, but that helps us maintain a good angle on our front CV shaft. Now this truck particularly is a selectable 4-wheel drive, so on the auto all-time 4-wheel drive, you're going to need to get a different drive shaft in the front. But we've got our compression struts going from the transmission cross member to the rear cross member. We've also got a brace bar in between our front and rear cross member, so it basically makes this almost like a cage that helps the rigidity of the whole suspension system and makes sure nothing moves around. And then we also have our sway bar drop downs right here. Everything is powder coated from McGaughy's in the silver color. This is the premium kit, but the customer thought that it would match very nicely with the silver trim on his Cadillac. So we'll see tomorrow after we get the rear end of the kit on over here. We've got the new brackets for the control arms, the longer sway bar links, and the shock relocation brackets, and the rear springs, and the bump stop and track bar relocation brackets as well. So after we get on the rear, we're going to go ahead and put a set of 20x9 fuel cleavers with some fuel MT grippers on there. And obviously we're going to probably have to do some trimming on the front bumper and maybe even the step that folds out too. So tune in tomorrow and we'll see what the epic result is of this tomorrow on epic4x4offroad.com. Thank you.